Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I greet you from the beautiful coast town, beach resort, whatever you want to call it, of Bridlington up here in Yorkshire. Just about 45 minutes drive from where we live in Hull. So as you can see, it's a pretty beautiful day here in UK. Today is just starting of the season now in June, and everybody's come out of lockdown, so it's all nice and good. So let's go see what this beautiful town has to offer. I believe it was nicknamed the lobster capital of UK, so I presume that's it does have a rich fishing heritage. As you can see, this is normally the fishing port of this city or town. So not a lot of fishing going on today, but what we're more interested in is, you can see back in the background there, it's a nice big beach. So let's go check that out. So I think that would be nice, a nice day at the beach in UK. I don't know if you can see, it's quite low tide now. All the boats, like half the boats, are sitting on the mud now, not on the water. Would you look at this beautiful white beach everywhere. Quite good, yeah, quite nice. Alright, enough of checking out the view. Let's go down there and see what's the water like. By the looks of it, not many there to go in the water, so I presume it's not that hot. You know, usually in UK the beach is, you know, you have to be a little hardcore to enjoy. Yeah, I'll give it a try. Feels good to feel the sand on my feet again. Really nice. Definitely beautiful sit-down resort here in Bridlington. And the beach is enormous, really. It's a giant beach. I really like this. Not sure to what level comes back the water, because you know they got a really big tide here in UK, but right now it's perfect, really. As you can see, the waterfront is nice, the sea promenade is nice, beautiful weather. I see a couple of places there where you can drink maybe a beer, which I'm gonna check out. But first I'm gonna go check out to see how's the water. By the looks of it, judging by these skid marks, I suspect the water comes right all the way here where I'm staying now. So if you do come to the beach here in England, make sure you know where you keep track where you put your, you know, like towels and everything, because the water will come and sweep it up. So watch your belongings, watch your kids. It's not gonna be like in an instance like that, but it does come pretty quick. It does quick. The water comes up quick, especially, you know, if you keep track of the tides. Like there's usually a high tide in the morning, and then right around in the afternoon it comes back. So the best time to come to the beach if you want to catch all the sand, it's right now, which is noon time. So that's almost the lowest level of the water. What do you think? A little chilly, to be honest, for my taste, but it's okay. I think it's something like 22 degrees now, so not ideal, not my ideal temperature to go to the beach, but it's okay. Yeah. Still okay. Woo. So let's see how it is here. See, those kids aren't afraid. So it's not that bad actually. I was expecting way worse. Oh wait, no, never mind. I take that back. It is quite. The further you go and the more it covers your skin, you can really feel it. So yeah, I don't know if I would have go for a full plunge. But pretty good actually. It's not bad. It's not bad. Just for a quick dip, I'll probably try it. Yeah. Now that you get used to it a little bit, yeah, it's quite nice. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Alright, so I think that's enough walking on the beach, although it's quite relaxing and nice. Yeah, I really like getting my feet wet in the water and feeling the sand. However, unfortunately, I've been scanning like all the sea promenade, and then I looked on Google Maps, and unfortunately there is no beach bar here in Bridlington. So yeah, that's a bummer. We'll need to go somewhere else to find a beer garden or something, preferably with a nice sea view to enjoy a beer. But yeah, I guess considering it's more like a family beach, family place spend with your kids, yeah, I guess that's might be a good idea, especially considering some of the British people tendencies to abuse alcohol. Some, yeah, not all, but yeah, looks like, yeah, they got a nice promenade, lots of nice places, lots of huts to change, but I think that's about it. All right, let's go see. I think I saw some earlier on my way here, but yeah, I'll see you next time. Lovely sea and lovely sand. Really nice, enjoyable activity, especially if you got a free day on a sunny day here in UK. Like I said before, yeah, you gotta take the chance. Do not let it go, because you don't know when you gotta get another one. All right, guys. See you later. Alright guys, so that was a really lovely place with a nice view, really good beer as well, local beer. Had a nice bite to eat, nice beer, enjoy the view, and now we're off. So overall I think Bridlington is okay, not sure. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please click on the like button, and I'll see you later. Cheers guys.